Hello, hello, Graham Cluley here, and excuse me for taking your time because this message isn't really for you. It's for Jeff Bezos, the guy who runs Amazon. Jeff, well done, mate. You're one of the richest men on the planet. And the other day, I decided to add to that wealth, paying over £700 for an iPhone 15 and a case ordered from Amazon, your company. And Amazon said that I could expect to receive it the very next day. What I didn't expect was that Amazon would fail to deliver the phone and case, keep over £700 of my money, and tell me to sod off. You see, the phone never arrived. It wasn't delivered. But Amazon says it was delivered at 12:51. They claim with enormous confidence the iPhone was, in its words, handed to resident. Well, no, it wasn't. And my video doorbell, ironically enough, an Amazon Ring, proves it. Because if the delivery person had delivered the iPhone, it would have captured footage of him. Furthermore, when I ordered the iPhone, Amazon told me that I would have to give my signature upon delivery because, it's £700 worth of equipment. Fair enough. So, 2 questions. Why would Amazon say it was handed to resident when it wasn't? And why would they not get a signature when they said they would need a signature? Actually, there's some bigger questions here. Why doesn't Amazon believe me? I'm lovely. Why do they think I'm the one lying? Why are they refusing to refund me the money or send me a replacement? I've been asking Amazon these questions, but it doesn't seem to want to answer them. Let's look at the latest charming email that they've sent me.
Hello, we contacted you so we could better understand the activity on your account and learn how to improve your shopping experience.
Well, you'd improve my shopping experience by maybe delivering the goods which I bought. Thank you very much, Amazon.
We are contacting you regarding your order. AMZN UK confirmed the items you ordered were in the package at the time it left our fulfillment center and that it was delivered to you intact.
No, it wasn't delivered to me. Maybe it was intact, but it wasn't delivered to me.
As a result, we cannot issue a replacement or a refund for this item.
I think you could issue a replacement or a refund if you think about it.
If you do not have any further feedback regarding your Amazon shopping experience,
trust me, I've got plenty of feedback.
Please consider this issue closed, and be assured that you may continue shopping as usual.
Oh yes, I'd love to do that. Yes, absolutely. I'll carry on giving you hundreds and hundreds of pounds, Jeff Bezos, and you carry on not delivering things to me.
We are unable to provide additional information on this matter, and we may not respond to additional emails about this issue.
Well, what? What? That's it? There's nothing else here? So, what?
I understand that you would like to escalate this. However, all Amazon account specialists are trained to find the best possible resolutions for our customers' issues.
I'll tell you what the best possible resolution for this customer's issue is: to deliver me the bloody phone or give me my money back. You've got over £700 of mine, Amazon. Sort it out.
Your feedback will help us improve our business and it will be considered in Amazon's effort to continually improve our service to customers.
You know what, Amazon? I've got a great tip for you on how to improve customer service. Don't hold on to people's money when you haven't delivered the goods. Now, Jeff Bezos, he earns $595,728,000 per week. I've worked it out. That's $59,100 per minute. In fact, he makes more in 1 single second, there it goes, than Amazon is refusing to refund me. All I wanted to do was buy an iPhone and a case. Amazon hasn't delivered it to me, but worse than that, they are refusing to refund me. They're refusing to talk to me. They won't even escalate the issue. They're not looking at my video footage on my bloody Ring doorbell. They're not looking into who signed for the darn thing. And it's me who they are portraying as the criminal. It's rubbish. Sort yourself out, Amazon. Otherwise, I and other people will simply stop using you.